What's going on, everybody? Hillbilly Fam Life here, back with another video. We have a mukbang for y'all. Let's see here. We got one Whopper, two Whoppers, two fries, a mini cheeseburger from Burger King, and a little bit of fries from McDonald's, and a Coke. Alright, where to start first is the question. Well, we'll just go ahead and start out small. It's a regular cheeseburger. The only thing they put on it was pickles. It was supposed to have ketchup and stuff on it, but whatever. We got ketchup anyways. Let's see here. If y'all are eating while watching this video, put it down in the comments what y'all are having. Start right there. And of course, you gotta have the mayo packet. Throw that up there too. Move this out of the way so I put the mayo on. We also did a little video of the Big Mac, if y'all want to go check that out. Looks so good. It looks as good as, it tastes as good as it looks too. Do we have napkins?
Somewhere.
Thank you. My favorite place to eat, y'all, is Burger King. And y'all, I've said it in the Big Mac video. If it ain't a messy sandwich to me, it's not a sandwich. I don't like dry sandwiches. And happy Halloween, everybody that clicks on this video.
Do you think you can fit more fries?
I
know you got a McDonald's one and
I could
two
try.
Burger King, but I only eat a few fries, so I'm going to put these in your tray. It's too much for me.
Well, fries.
That's McDonald's and Burger King fries now.
And so you guys know, if you're watching, we're working on trying to find a tripod so y'all can see the table that we're using too, so you can see the food and all that fun stuff. We're working on it. We just got to find one in our price range. I'd still say McDonald's has the best Coca-Cola though. Okay, dear. What's your favorite place to get a drink from?
Oh my God, you already know. McDonald's. I am obsessed with their Coca-Cola.
I love their tea.
It's not like any other Coca-Cola though. It's just perfect.
But whenever you go to McDonald's, you want the sweet tea. So good. Light ice. Yeah, I got a bunch of fries to eat here, y'all. We're gonna sit that there. And we're gonna get ready to eat in one of these Whoppers here.
Do you want half of a double cheeseburger? You said you wanted to eat a bunch of food for video.
Oh, man.
I'm getting full already. I ripped it off.
Looks like I'm also eating part of a double cheeseburger for y'all.
It's half of a double cheeseburger. That's good, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
My favorite little sandwich that fills me up just right, y'all, is a double cheeseburger.
Oh, so she went ahead and took the side with all the pickles, see?
I took the pickles.
Told y'all. Which I don't worry about it. But it's got ketchup, diced onion, and a little bit of mustard.
Billy can tell y'all, pickles are my favorite thing ever. I buy like 10 jars a month.
Mm-hmm.
Love pickles. I can make a meal out of pickles.
I'm going to tell y'all something. I have never, in my 26 years of being alive, seen anybody love pickles as much as she does. So good. Alright. To make it easier, I'm just going to dump the fries in there.
That is massive. They are not seeing the effect of how full you just made this thing. Holy crap.
It's a normal size basket of fries from McDonald's, but that's all fries in there, y'all. I'm using a little table right now, so I'm trying to make space so it's easier. Alright. Down to my favorite. The Whopper. I absolutely love these things. And y'all already know I'm going to add extra mayo to it. Always do. But before I do, look at that thing.
That's huge.
This is a comparison to my hand.
Yeah, y'all, Whoppers are big. Like, you only need one to actually be full, but he wanted to give y'all a video worth watching, so.
Well, let's go ahead and take the top off and show y'all the top. Oh, they gave me a bunch of lettuce.
And happy Halloween, y'all.
Let's see here. Tomatoes are all on one side. Let's fix that part. Oh.
What did you do?
It was like that when I got here.
Did you lose a mater?
No, I lost a piece of lettuce.
Oh.
Love my mayo.
So I was all determined and stuff, and I ate about 2 pinches of French fries and got my one sandwich down, and I'm full.
That's it?
Yeah, there's 2 sandwiches sitting over here.
Well, look at me.
I can't do it. I thought if I would have did what I did, I fasted, you guys. I fasted for about 24 hours thinking that I would be able to get down two whole sandwiches, a double cheeseburger and a cheeseburger, and I couldn't do it.
Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get a plate so this is easier. They're just right over here.
But that's okay. That just means I have a sandwich for tonight or tomorrow.
Yep. None of this food will be wasted at all. We'll be eating. If we don't eat it in one setting, we'll eat it later so it don't go to waste. Alright.
Well, technically, I only bought 2 sandwiches because I was thinking about doing the video with you, but then I changed my mind.
Yeah, she can't eat as much as I can.
Because I feel like they're not going to want to watch me. I can't eat much.
Alright.
Now, I tell you what. When I first met Billy, y'all, I could get down 2 double cheeseburgers and a basket of fries by myself. So don't let it fool you. I used to eat pretty good.
Yeah, but you still struggled.
Yeah, I did struggle, but I got it down.
Y'all want to hear something funny, though? When we first got together, it was our first time going out to eat together. I'm sitting there looking at her because she's sitting there picking certain stuff off the sandwich and stuff, like dissected it and eating it by itself and stuff.
Yeah.
But I thought it was funny.
Well, I love pickles so much that I kind of felt like the sandwich would wash the pickle flavor out, so I'd like to eat my pickles right off the bat. Now I just leave them on the sandwich. But, man, I love pickles, y'all. That would be a mukbang for me, eat a jar of pickles for y'all. That's probably something I could do. I'm not joking.
Oh, yeah.
Not like a big jar, but you know what I mean? It's still a lot of pickles.
Mmm.
Man, I can't believe I'm full already.
The Whopper, best sandwich.
I got all this food and can't eat it. That's okay, though. It's because I've been on a diet and I got used to eating little portions.
Now we got all this food. If y'all don't do it, they have some really good coupons for Burger King, too.
Oh, yeah. Our coupon, it was like $15 and we got all this food.
Mm-hmm.
Like, that's a deal. We need deals in today's economy.
It comes with what again in the coupon?
Oh, my. Well, we fed our kids, too, so there was 3 Whoppers, 3 cheeseburgers, 3 French fries. And then McDonald's was, I used an app coupon, and it came to, I think it was $14 or $15. Because I had 20% off my entire order. And we did the basket of fries with 2 double cheeseburgers and a basket of fries with 20-piece nuggets. But I ended up getting 2 sandwiches. And then you see what Billy got. And the kids took the rest. Oh, man. They're going to have some full bellies for Halloween night.
Mm-hmm.
And then I turned around and gave Zach my French fry. And then I only put like a few fries on a plate for me. And I ended up giving them to Billy because after eating my sandwich, I couldn't fit my French fries. I did eat a little pinch though, because their fries are good. If y'all ain't had Burger King French fries, man, they're good. Everybody swears by McDonald's fries, and yes, I understand they're good, but there's just something about that thicker cut fry that Burger King does that makes me happy. How's it going, babe?
Oh, man.
You fasted with me, so I know dang well you should be able to wolf all that down.
I don't know about all that.
I think fasting's a good idea when you're getting ready to prepare for a big video like this, just so you're not overdoing it, you know?
Mm-hmm. All right, y'all. First Whopper down.
I love watching mukbangs on YouTube, though. Have you noticed that? You guys, I always watch people eat when I go to eat, and I don't know why. It's just like habit.
Let's go ahead and eat some of those fries. Usually Burger King fries are saltier.
Yeah. Was a decent size order, you know, because of that coupon, though.
It's a tough choice, though, between Burger King and McDonald's fries. It's a hard pick.
The only way that McDonald's would ever win on the fries is when we show up and you tell them extra dark and they come out like brown and crispy.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, they're like golden colored. That's when they're good. I don't like a flimsy French fry.
I like Burger Kings because they're bigger, they're more fulfilling, and they got more salt to them.
I think I know why I like a crispier French fry, though. Growing up, you've tasted my mom's French fries.
Mm-hmm.
She
They're
makes her own
amazing.
French fries, and they're like the perfect crisp and then soft in the middle. And
Next time we do a mukbang, we should just get French fries and have her make them.
dude, her French fries are the bomb.com. Like, no joke. And I grew up always having a crispy French fry. So if I get soggy fries, I'm like, I just don't want to eat them. I'm so used to that kind of cooking perfection that...
Her mom's an amazing cook, y'all.
Oh my goodness.
Her mom, her brother, and her dad.
Yep.
There's still a bunch of fries.
Well, you don't have to eat them all right now. I can put them in the air fryer if you don't finish them. Like, you know, when we go to reheat.
Now. Sorry, y'all, hiccup. Alright. So now we're going to move on to the second Whopper. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and sit it on this plate. Oh man, it's so good. Love their Whoppers. And aren't they called the home of the Whopper?
Yeah. Burger King, home of the Whopper.
I know I'm supposed to be in that. Sorry, y'all. The fries are so good.
King, I could advertise your food for you.
Oh, no doubt.
Show me the money.
Y'all already know. Second mayo packet. Well, it's the first one for this one, but... Oh, I didn't tear it open far enough.
I'm telling you, this guy loves his mayo, y'all.
Oh, yeah. Ketchup, mayo.
The only thing I eat mayo on is an egg.
What I don't like, though, on a burger, is mustard.
Oh, get out of here.
Like, I feel like mustard was made for hot dogs.
Y'all, I will dip a double cheeseburger in honey mustard. That's the bomb.com.
Well, honey mustard's different. Like regular mustard, I'm not a fan of it being on burgers. I like it on hot dogs, but I don't like mustard on my burgers. I like. Oh, sorry, excuse me. The only thing I like on my burgers is like what they do: pickle, onion, lettuce, tomato, ketchup, mayo. And that's how I actually enjoy my burgers. Like, look at all that lettuce you got.
You know
That's a
what
lot
I've
of
been
lettuce
wanting to
too.
try?
And I love lettuce.
I've been wanting to try Chick-fil-A's mac and cheese. I seen a video on that the other day. Oh my goodness.
I didn't even know they had macaroni and cheese.
They have macaroni and cheese. At least whoever's video I was watching, I can't remember the name, but
I did not just drop a French fry.
they got mac and cheese from Chick-fil-A. I don't usually eat at Chick-fil-A because their prices are a little steep for me, but
I absolutely love their waffle fries. And I know it's for the kids. The French fries that they do with the smiley face in it, those are so good.
they do French fries with a smiley face.
Used to.
I've never seen that.
Or am I thinking of somewhere else then?
I don't know. I've never seen that.
Am I thinking of somewhere else? If I'm thinking of somewhere else, y'all. Put it down in the comments.
I've only ate at Chick-fil-A a handful of times in my life.
Well, it used to be close to us when I was a kid, so we'd get it a lot.
You see, I don't go out to eat that much.
But whenever we was a kid, I mean, my stepdad, he would go here, there, get a bunch of stuff and bring it home. I mean, there was like 13 people living in our home at the time.
Now, I'll tell you, before I had kids, and I wasn't too concerned about my health, y'all, this is no joke when I say I would go to McDonald's 2 to 3 times a week, every single week. I used to do that before I had kids.
My stepdad always used to ask me though, he would say, "Boy, where do you fit it all at?" I don't know, in my stomach.
Yeah, but you're a very active person. You're always up cleaning, doing yard work and stuff. So, you know, you can eat a little extra calories.
I mean, even when I was a kid, I used to help around in the house, like with yard work and stuff like that. That's what I enjoyed doing.
He always keeps himself busy. He's always doing something.
Mm-hmm.
And when he does get a break from doing everything, he wants to hurry up and make a video for you all.
And then after the videos, I sit down, play my games for a little bit, and then go to bed.
That was the first thing he said. It's Halloween. We're going to do some stuff with kids. And he said, well, I got free time. Let's do a video.
I mean, to me, this isn't a job or nothing like that. This is just something that I enjoy to do, to sit here and make videos for you guys.
That's why it's in his free time. He really does enjoy it. He's been trying to put out more, but sometimes he gets busy, you know.
And money, I mean, our prices are going up ridiculous here.
Yeah, he wanted to do a video once a week, but we don't know if we can afford to do it every week. But we are going to try to aim for at least 2 mukbang videos a month.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to try. I don't want to make no promises, you know, because money is tight.
If y'all want to see me... Hold on, sorry. Mayo on my mustache. Really need to trim that. But if y'all even just want to see me sit here and eat dinner and talk, put it down in the comment below. I could do that. I mean, there's not going to be much food. It's not going to be that long of a video. But I mean, it would be fun. Oh, great. I'm almost out of time. I got 5 minutes.
Oh, that's good. You got all the sandwiches down, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
That's a good video, I think. I hope people watch, like, and subscribe and all that good stuff because he really does try hard, y'all. He seen a couple comments the other day and I think it made his day. And I haven't forgot about y'all that's been commenting. I know it's been about 8 days, but it will probably be Wednesday or Thursday when I try to catch up on comments again. It's usually about every 10 to 14 days I get caught up.
And we'll also be putting up part 3 of the hot sauce later on today too, if y'all want to go check that out.
You're full. Oh my goodness, look at that belly. Little
Dang,
man
boy,
is
get it.
stuffed. Happy Halloween, sweetheart. Aw, thank you.
Happy Halloween, buddy.
Aw. He come out here to show me his tummy, you all. He's stuffed. Is that your happy dance? Or is that your Halloween dance?
That is a happy Halloween dance.
A happy Halloween dance, I like it. You're cute as a button.
Honestly, y'all, if time wasn't a problem, I could sit here all day and do this, honestly. Not just eat, I mean, we could sit here and talk and stuff, but we just haven't got a chance to get an SD card yet.
Yeah, we took what little bit of extra money we had today to do this. We thought we would surprise the kiddos, and it also gives you all a video. And we've been trying really hard to get this channel going, but it's tough. It's tough when there's millions and millions of other people that, you know, post every day too, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And there's a lot of good channels out there. I know, because I watch people eat all the time.
I'm stuffed, y'all, but I'm going to sit here and eat a little bit of these fries for you guys. Let's see. Let's get down to some of the McDonald's ones, too. Backwards today. McDonald's got more salt today than Burger King. I love French fries. What?
You know what my favorite part about Rainbow?
How?
It was my, cause they made Rainbow games so fast.
Yeah.
That's your favorite part about Lambos, is they're fast?
Yeah, for real. They'll found for
On
real.
Forza?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's our little gamer dude. You guys can see on our channel anything that says Zayd or the crew, or that is our son tearing it up on a video game.
And that's my name on the YouTuber.
Yeah. So make sure if y'all can go show my son some love. Give his video a like. Leave him a cute comment. Whatever. He would appreciate it.
Yeah, I would go down a wall.
Yeah.
Don't go in there.
But his favorite car is a Lamborghini.
They want to put in here.
Yep. McLaren.
They want to put
Man,
they got
stuffed.
GT.
Yeah, and a Ford GT. He loves cars, y'all. He loves cars.